Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Chief Executive Member John Gajan Tehus Autonomous District Council ba Thombo Shiwat Wanrah ke Mang Tyngka ke Duna Kharwe Klur tam nak benta usnam Mang Tyngka arajar pausan arajar phonril hagas ngisdang jaga dorbar Mang Tyngka ke belong ka phunro truk leber arajar pausan. Habakan hapo ke yeng dorbar uba Shiwat la pentip ba ke Mang Tyngka jaga council nak benta usnam Mang Tyngka arajar pausan arajar phonril hak ba kelamang ban yo lum arspa sepusan Klur kendai polak san pusan hajar kendai spa Tyngka bat ke Pisa belamang ban pelut kelong arspa san punyo Klur arpulailak sepusau hajar arspa Tyngka.
The Council's budget for this actual financial year 2025-26 bears an estimated receipt of rupees 245 crore 90 lakh 55,900 only, as against the estimated expenditure of rupees 257 crore 23 lakh 44,200 only, thus reflecting a deficit of rupees 11 crore 32 lakh 88,300 only. The detailed actual receipt and expenditure may be verified from the actual column of 23 and 24. With regard to the reverse estimate in the current fiscal year 24 and 25, it may be noted that budget provisions were always for 12 months. However, on receipt of council dues from share on natural mineral from the state government on January 25, the council cleared the outstanding amount of fees and allowance for a total of 15 months. Hence, additional expenditure for 3 months is reflected in the revised estimate of 24-25. The details of the expenditure can be verified from the supplementary demand for the year 24-25. Also, in the supplementary demand, the expenditure shown is of 4 months. 1 month being the salary for the month of September 2024, which is still under process by the Finance and Account Department and will be released shortly. It may be mentioned here that the annual revised pay of the council employees have been released up to 80% from the council own fund during this current financial year, that is 24 and 25. With regard to the centrally sponsored scheme, it may be mentioned here that during the current financial year 24-25, rupees 6,32,400 only received from Digital India Land Record Modernization Program. And from that and underground, the council could implement 422 schemes or projects in different localities of both East and West Territory districts, such as road, drinking water, purchase of CIC, fencing, retaining wall, water park, etc. from the financial year 23-24. I would also like to take this opportunity to commend the previous executive committee for its assistance in serving the people of Tyngka despite many difficulties faced. One such difficulty being the non-releasing of funds for MBC schemes. Considering council resources position, I applaud them for the completion of the Jhadc Hall and successfully inaugurated on 29th October 2024 amidst the financial constraints of the council. Further, I cannot help but to mention here one of the main steps which the previous executive committee have taken up, that is the resolution dated 28 July 2020, which have reduced the number of council employees from 100 from 1,490 to 1,250 in a span of 4 years plus. This helped the Jhadc District Council got the unnecessary appointment and in return keep the financial stability of this country. For the expenditure of the Jhadc District Council, why for the engineer have passed now to the first. Mr. Sir, on the recommendation of the Chief Executive Member, Jhadc to the North District of Kaba, I beg to move an additional amount of rupees 3 crore 68 lakh 69,300 only be granted to the member in charge to defray certain charge of payment during the year ending March 2025 for the admission of grant number 1, the grant admission department. Mr. Sir, on the recommendation of the Chief Executive Member, Jhadc I beg to move an additional amount of rupees 368 lakh be granted to the member in charge to be present in charge of payment during the year ending March 2025 for the acquisition of grant number 1, general admission department be passed by the House.
I declare that an amount of rupees 3 crore 68 lakh 16,200 grant number 1 general administration department is unanimously passed by the House. Grant number 2.
Mr. On the recommendation of the Chief Executive Member, Jhadc District of Kaba, I beg to move an additional amount of rupees 1 crore 69 lakh 90,900 only be granted to the member in charge to defray certain charges of payment during the year ending March 2025 for administration of grant number 2, Finance and Account Department.